I forgot to show y'all. I'm using the good old Maggies too. I got. Use like 2 of these jokes in there. The rice look like it's cleared up. And then, you know, you're supposed to rinse it. I need a bigger pan, but hey, this will do for right now. Okay. Then with the chicken, I got each and every one of my seasonings open up. We about to bop, bop, hit it up. Hit it up. I think I'm gonna have to go grab some gloves. This smells so good. It smells really good. Hold on. This is a long video. I doubt it if anybody will watch it, but if you do watch it, thank you. That's the purpose of me making it. I think I'm only gonna go one time with the seasonings. Oh, I went to go get a glove. Because I'm about to season this all up and take some oil, mix it all up together. It's almost gone. I gotta get some more of this. I'm about to pour some of this vegetable oil in there. Put a glove on, mix it up. The oven already set to 350. And in the oven it goes. That should be enough.